Okay, here in my hands is the TSUN 6-piece complete low voltage outdoor color landscaping system. It's actually a complete system, so let's call it that. I got this because it's the holiday season and I wanted to be able to move from just straight up white lights on my landscaping to different colors, like I would like to have orange for Thanksgiving and for Halloween, and now it's Christmas time and I would love to be able to make some trees green, some trees red, that kind of make it look nice and festive at the house. And so I like this when I was looking at things, assuming for the same reasons you are. This is a complete kit. So this one comes with everything, everything you need. It has the transformer built into it, the lights themselves, which I have to say these lights are more substantial, physically more substantial than I expected. And it actually comes with 2 remotes, just in case you lose one, I guess. Oh, and batteries are included, which is a nice thing. Just so you know, the options are 16 colors and 4 different light patterns, so that should be pretty cool. The only thing left to do is, let's take it out, install it, come back tonight, see what it actually looks like, and then I'll give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know if it's staying or going back. Okay, it is dusk out, not dark out yet, because I wanted you to be able to actually see what they look like. This is what they look like installed, just so you can tell. You can see it's making a nice green light here, it's red over there. And what I didn't realize, which I really like about these, watch this, they are individually adjustable. So each one, you can make a different color. I think that's so cool and exactly what I wanted. Yeah, so like I have red in the front, like when you look at the house, it's red for Christmassy. And then over here, it's more green Christmassy. Overall, they work great as accent lights. I love the way the controller works, so I'm going to give these absolutely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score because I really, really like that they are individually addressable.